Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SATs type of a question in the topics of exponents. Let's dive into it. Which of the following is equal to s to the power of 5 over 6 for all values of s? Now, this is very easy. For help, I will also write an empty root down because for these type of questions, you always need a root, at least for these. So choice B is not an option and choice D is also not an option. Let's see if it's A or C. Now there's always this rule. We always talk about this in our playlist. The numerator always stays next to the s. So s to the power of 5, basically. And the 6 is always outside of the root. Let me show you how this exactly works. So s to the power of 5 is inside of the root, and this denominator 6 is outside of the root. That's actually the solution to this given question. Choice A. So we eliminate C. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.